Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to use your debit card as a credit card in 2025. If you're tired of juggling multiple cards or worried about building credit without racking up debt, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the big deal? In 2025, advancements in banking tech mean you can leverage your debit card for credit-like perks, like earning rewards or improving your credit score, all while using your own money. It's a safer alternative to traditional credit cards, but it comes with some caveats we'll cover. Step 1. Check if your bank supports this feature. Many major banks, like Chase or Bank of America, have updated their apps by 2025 to include debit as credit options. Log into your mobile banking app and look for settings like credit emulation or rewards linkage. If you don't see it, contact customer support. They might have it rolling out soon. Next, enable the feature. Once activated, your debit card can be used at merchants that accept credit cards. For example, when you swipe or tap, select credit at the terminal instead of debit. This might link your transactions to a rewards program or even report them to credit bureaus, helping build your credit history. Now, let's talk benefits. You'll earn cashback or points on everyday purchases without interest charges, and it's great for budgeting since the money comes straight from your account. But watch out for risks, like potential overdraft fees if you overspend. Always keep an eye on your balance through your bank's app. In 2025, some new apps, like integrated fintech tools, make this even easier by automating the process. Remember, this isn't exactly turning your debit card into a credit card, but it's a smart workaround. To wrap it up, using your debit card this way can save you money and headaches. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if you've tried it yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.